Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hi. Hello, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Ibrahim Victor Kwanla.
Okay, so what's your relationship with the deceased?
Aisha is my wife.
For how long were you guys married?
11 years, 6 months.
So, how did you feel when you heard about the sad news? Her death.
I didn't believe it. Came to me as a surprise. I didn't believe it. I was like, it's a lie. Even though I heard from a reliable source, I was still hoping that I will see her tomorrow, you know. Till now, I can't believe she's gone. I can't believe it.
So, what can you say about her?
Aisha, if I start talking about Aisha, I won't leave here. But let me just give you some few things about Aisha. Aisha is a wonderful woman. She's a go-getter. She doesn't believe something is not possible. She doesn't believe that. If Aisha wants something, she goes after it and she gets it. Aisha is a humble woman. Aisha, with her status, being a celebrity, Aisha will be the one washing my clothes. Aisha will not allow any housemaid to make my food. Aisha will be the one serving my food. She's a wonderful woman. And Aisha is a good dancer. I remember when we started, we went for a dancing competition. We both won as couple. We won the dancing competition. She's a good stepper. Ask anybody that knows her. She's a good dancer. And what else? Aisha is everything.
Okay, so what exactly do you miss about her?
I miss her food. Her food, yeah. I miss her closeness because she's my best friend. Even when she left my house, we still communicate, we still talk. If I have any issue, any problem, she's the first person I call. And she always responds. So I always miss her. Like I told some people, I said I will miss her till I die. Another Aisha is a counterfeit.
So, what are your prayers to Said Balogun, who happens to be the president of our association?
I pray that God will continue to give him more wisdom, knowledge and understanding to guard and to guide the people he's leading. I pray that he will lead them aright and not astray. In Jesus' name.
So what are your final words to her?
So Aisha, I know we are still going to meet. I know. I keep telling people, I'm still going to see her and we are still going to marry. Because we are supposed to have our second marriage by December or middle of next year. That was what I was planning in America, but unfortunately she died. So I know we are still going to meet in heaven and we'll do that marriage.
So how many kids do you guys have?
Two wonderful kids, Tolu Alasha and Asholua.
They both get a boy and a girl.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very nice. Thank you for talking to us.
You're welcome.